Despite no content being available to students, we can still add students to this course and simply not send them an invitation email. This allows us to set up sections of students, for example, if we want to have different laboratory streams. To add students to your course, select Student Accounts. Here you have the option to invite students individually or via a CSV file. Note that student accounts can also be managed via an LMS integration. For more details on this, contact your local ADI representative. To create student accounts via a CSV file, select Import. To see the correct format for the CSV file, select Help. Once you are confident your CSV file is formatted correctly, select Browse and locate and open the CSV file from your computer. A prompt will let you know how many students will be added to your course and if any new sections will be created. Importantly, if you are not ready for students to receive an invitation email, deselect the checkbox for Send Student Invite Emails now. This allows you time to inform students of the upcoming invitation to LT, as well as time to develop and make the content available to students. When you are ready to add student accounts, select Import. Select a student to view and edit their details. For example, if you want to change their name or move a student into a different section. The student status can be either active, when a student has accepted the invitation to LT, or pending, when the invitation emails are yet to be sent or accepted. To remove students from a course, either select Delete in the student details, or, for bulk deletion, select the checkbox next to those students you wish to remove and select Delete. Refresh the page to see the updated student accounts. If you accidentally delete a student, don't worry. Simply select the cog icon and select Deleted Accounts. Select the checkboxes next to the accidentally deleted students and select Restore. To view, edit, or create new sections of students, select the cog icon and select Manage Sections. Remember that if you import a CSV file that has students already in sections, these will be automatically created for you. To create a new section, select New. Select a section to rename or delete it. What if you want to invite a student who is enrolled late to your course? If there is an updated student list with their details, you can simply import this updated CSV file. LT will only add new students, update existing students, and restore any deleted students. Remember to deselect the option to send invitation emails if you are not yet ready to do so. If a student is not on the CSV file, then you can add them individually. You can also invite yourself or other staff members as a student. However, doing so will add to the total number of active students in your instance. To add a student individually, select the cog icon and select Add Student. Enter their relevant details, deselect Send Invite Email if you are not yet ready for students to have access to your course, then select Add. If you now refresh the page, you will see a drop-down option has appeared next to the course name. Select this to change whether you view the course as an administrator or as an enrolled student. When you are ready to send invitation emails to students, select the cog icon, choose Send Invites, and select Send. If a student claims to have not received an invitation email, find and select their account and select Send Invite.